It's the crack of dawn. We are on our way to Webster Cave for the maiden voyage of Jagged Halo, my new cave kayak. So far so good. Had to stop once to tighten the ropes, but so far it's still up there. We're approaching Sinking Creek Valley. Things are going to start happening now. Water's nice and down. Okay, well, we've made it this far.
Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah.
And you tell me that this is the hardest part right here, correct?
Getting it in? No. Getting it out is hard.
No, getting it. Okay. Well, it drags these getting up.
That's everything. You got to look if it drags hard.
So far. Okay. That was a proverbial haul. 480 foot. Took a couple of minutes. And we're going to get into the first lake. Low! It floats. Hello, Mr. Jeff. This is pretty nice. Now, of course, we haven't had to portage them yet, but hard to make out the... Got to break out into the big trunk. I'm just, seeing if I can light any of it up at all, but it's so vast. You got yours stand on?
No.
Fire it up.
You want it?
Yeah, just fire it up. So quiet compared to what it usually is like when we're coming through here.
That's what we want to do. My photography debut.
I have to admit, it's pretty nice. Very smooth. I wonder what the less fortunate cavers are doing for this. Very unusual. Not too bad, even when you got a hole behind you. Pretty nice, eh? It's relaxing.
It is. It's like peaceful, whereas when you're walking up to this point, it's like
A war.
This is kind of like, la la, how's my Sunday scrolling,
Nice. Moving a lot of water today.
Better than carrying, man.
Well, you're a little long on your leash.
Oh, no, I mean, it pulls effortlessly.
Everybody doing all right?
Yeah.
Good.
Very good. Oh my God. Checking out marathon club over here. This is actually the furthest I've been back in the main passage. Like, I hadn't been past Park Avenue yet.
Oh, this is the first time you've ever been back this far?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I was so excited to go back and get
Oh, you'll
in.
love it. Wait till you see what's up around the corner. This is the passage that we were trying to connect Briar Hole and Van Laar Sink to.
Oh, okay.
And just, it's stumped out everywhere we went, and we've still got some work to do there. So.
Yeah. Very cool. Yeah, I've been trying to keep up with y'all on the listserv.
Oh, yeah.
Like, hard to like, picture where you're going and stuff.
This is Marathon Lake. Sorry.
I think you guys make a lot better cave pirates now that you have boats.
Mark, it looks like it's kind of deep there.
Oh, God.
McDonald's.
What is it now? A bagel and
I'm sorry. Steak, egg and cheese, and onion bagel.
deep in Webster Cave.
McDonald's underground.
What was I thinking? All I got was Jack
Hi,
Link
Mom.
beef jerky. It's not still warm, is it? That's a shame, you know.
That's why I asked if you had your stove.
And this, like, I'm pretty impressed. I made it, though. Pretty good. Of course, I was bringing sandwiches back in the little sandwich box, so. Which I didn't bring today. I was like that.
Made it into the lower river passage where we're commencing our survey. .1.
Yes.
On station. .115.0. 115.0. 1.5.
Can I get a left, right, up, down?
No.
Please.
This is a really swift flow.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you love to know where it's coming from?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
This is one of the great mysteries. little bit of a fight. That's a nice one. One for me? If I'm not very much mistaken, is this where it kind of gets swimmy?
Yes.
Yep, you're not very much mistaken. Yes.
Swimmy, that's a good word for it.
Swimmy?
Road again. To that point there, see how deep.
You're saying that point right there.
Yeah. I don't know how deep it is, but it's all right.
It's
I'll
deep.
go up once
Oh, yeah.
he got his hands full.
Breakdown pile's kind of rough.
I'm sorry?
That breakdown pile's kind of rough.
Yeah.
Took the crap out of my shoes.
Where's the quicksand at? I
I
remember.
think we done past. I didn't step in it this time around.
I guess the water's maybe too high.
No, not fun, not fun. Yeah. Mine's not with grand, some pads or something.
Mine dragging
Gentlemen. Gentlemen.
How you doing?
I'm alright. Can you get word it's not good?
Yeah, that pack is looking away in here. I should have stuck that
Woo! That's cool.
Get out of here.
Keep the book dry.
I know, like, yeah, oh, look, this is nice. We have a little Christmas game up, though.
Yeah.
Wow.
You got that,
No. Yes, I took the book out too. Whenever precious notes are dry-ish.
Dry-ish?
Dry-ish. There's no way I would play dry.
Somewhere right here to here. High school now.
Mark, are you at station?
Right.
You seem deep enough so that it's terminal, or do you think it's
No, it's shallow. It's actually down here. It tapers down to about a foot, and over here maybe 3 feet.
yeah, he already broke all the formation of those dogs.
You actually got back here quicker.
Well, you know, maybe when it's
But there's ceiling under it, you know what I mean? It's not.
oh, that didn't tear it up.
That's what happened on the formation.
Bringing down the
See, it
cherry.
drops. I think it's right here. I thought it was over there, but I think it's here. Right there, you can't get your thumbs up at all. Right here, it's about 3 feet. That's what you think. Oh, going out right here.
So you're saying like right where you're at is where you think it?
Where you think it's going? That's where I think it's going out. Somewhere right here in 6 feet or something.
Okay.
I can't tell that the water table is any different than it was last time we came.
Yeah.
I had the same dip through there that we had this time. I thought it was higher, but I don't think it is now.
Really nothing to sketch.
You're getting the nose wet. Well, I guess this is the bitter end.
Yeah.
If I have any air left after doing that one, I'm going to come over here, but I don't have much confidence over here.
Yeah,
Didn't feel like there's an air bill or anything. If there's not an air bill, I can't.
Well, I just wonder if during a drought condition if it would be any different.
Or the load.
Yeah.
Well, maybe if it dropped 6 inches for 3 inches, that might make a difference.
Yeah.
All
But
right.
all I can do is kind of go down and a little bit forward. I can go on even an extra. I think the same thing you all do if I came down. Just don't.
No way, please.
Well, this is probably the end of the Webster Cave System, at least as far as you can get in the lower river.
Okay. Thanks.